What is the location of your emergency? Hello, police department, can you hear me?
Hi, yes, please.
What is your address?
My address is,
Okay, and do you need police or paramedics there? What's going on?
police, please, because my dad's getting super aggressive now, please.
Okay, what unit? Okay, what unit?
Please.
What unit are you in?
No!
What unit?
No!
Hun, what unit are you in?
We're in apartment.
What's going on?
My dad's getting super aggressive, and this isn't the first time!
Hello?
He has a knife. He has a knife.
Who has a knife? Hey, dude, have a seat. Sit down. Sit down.
I haven't done anything.
Okay, sit down.
No, why? I can't.
Hey, dude, don't touch the knife, okay?
Dude.
You grab the knife, you're gonna get shot, all right?
No, I don't give a fuck.
Okay, have a seat.
It's gonna be her fault.
No, mommy, it's okay.
612 subject has a knife in his right
Okay,
pocket.
mommy. It's okay, mommy.
Hey, dude, have a seat, bro.
No, dude. Fuck
Have a seat.
you. No.
Okay, nothing has to get worse than it has to be, okay?
Fuck, dude. It's her fucking fault.
Hey, dude, drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife.
No, fuck you.
Drop the knife, dude.
Perra culpa.
Drop the, dude, you come like,
Fuck you.
drop the fucking knife, dude.
Fuck you, dude. Perra culpa.
Hey, dude, drop the knife. Drop the fucking knife.
Right here.
612 shots fired. Drop the fucking knife, dude. Move the knife.
Officers undergo significant training to provide medical aid at critical incidents. Officers rendered emergency treatment to Mendoza until paramedics arrived to take over and provide additional care. Mendoza was transported to a local hospital by medical personnel, where he succumbed to his injuries.